In the meantime, SEPROD's Chief Operation Officer, Richard Pandui, says the action of the employees is very disappointing. He noted the impact considering that the fraud occurred on the heels of a major fire at the company just over a year ago.
What happened is that the persons inside the system realized that we had to be operating differently because we lost a major warehouse. And in using multiple warehouses, they saw a loophole and took advantage of it and created that loss to the business. So, yeah, disappointing, but we're not broken. We'll continue to recover, and we'll recover stronger. Thank the public for the support and really thank the police for continuing their efforts.